you sometimes get dizzy or feel like seasick when you do body work? For example, the head spins in the center stance workout or in the body love workout. If this is you, then this is just your body telling you that you've touched upon something like a touchy subject. So it is just enough for now. So your body's slowly telling you that it is getting uncomfortable. For you to build the trust with your body, this means you stop what you're doing and you just tell your body where you are, how you feel, and that everything will be all right. So you don't push through it. You never push through this. We always stay in our comfort zone and gradually expand it by basically taking our body on its hand and slowly and surely working through everything that it's showing us, but really slowly. So when you feel this dizziness or this seasickness, just sit down, touch the floor, touch your body. You can tell yourself your name, where you are, that you're here, that everything is okay. If it doesn't get better soon, you can also just name objects you're seeing. You can name objects you're feeling. You can name smells. You can name sounds. And slowly but surely you just come back into safety. You can also lay down, close your eyes, have the eyes open, so whatever makes you feel more safe and at peace. And then if you want, you can continue, or you just leave it be for now and then come back to it the next day. And for example, if you do the 5-minute workout, so if they are the head spins and they make you dizzy, because we get these emails sometimes, then just let it be. There's so much stored that we have in the neck, like in all the tension that you're feeling in your neck. This is trauma. It's unprocessed emotions. So whenever I do the head spins, just don't follow me, but slowly, like explore a little bit of the feelings, the like seasickness or whatever you're feeling, and stay with yourself. Don't push yourself to do something that's not yet available to you. And sooner than later, you will be surprised how beautiful you can work with your body. You will be able to do whatever you want, and your body will, on the way there, tell you all the amazing stories that it wants to share with you. And you always want to stay connected and build this trusting relationship. I wish you a lot of fun. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you don't have the Body Love workout yet, then just comment love and I'll send it to you.